Hello guys, this is Yash Patel and I'm currently recording this session because during making a card game using Unity, I faced an issue with the UI canvas. This game is a card game as I told, and this is a 2D game. So all the cards which will be visible to the player will be in 2D. And since we are dealing with 2D here, therefore we need canvas. So this is the player game object I have, and under that I have a player canvas under which I have player area and table area. So this player area will be the one where the cards will be put during the gameplay. Okay, so let's first see, let's reproduce the bug here or the issue here. This game I'm using networking here because I want to connect thickness, but that's not the main focus of this video. So let's start with the game. This is the 3 buttons here, so let's disable them. Now here you can see the player game object. Under that I have player canvas, and as you see I have already disabled the player canvas here. Yeah, so this is already disabled when game starts. Okay, so here if you see, this is the deck, my deck, and these are the cards which are going to get distributed to the players. So these cards will be put to the player area during the gameplay, and if you see here on the scene panel, there is no outline of that particular card, but if you see in this case here, there's the outline, right, which shows that that card is not visible yet, but it's there. But in this case I don't know what is the problem exactly. Either is it the rendering problem or what problem is there, but in case where the player canvas is disabled from the start of the game and has not been enabled till that point, so within that time range, if you add any of the card under that canvas, it will not be visible even if you enable it. See, it's not there. But now if you put any card here, they will be visible. See, now even if you disable the player canvas and put a new card there, it will be it will be visible. See, the 9 of diamonds. So the issue here is, if in case you are facing this issue, the simple problem is to not put this player canvas disabled from the start. Okay, now if you see here, this game game which I am playing here, it's already fixed. So what I have done is, instead of making it disabled from the start, I have put it enabled, and under the script, in the start function, start event, I've already disabled it there. So which means whenever the player game objects gets spawned on the hierarchy here, the player canvas is active at that time, but as soon as the player start event starts in the script, it gets disabled. That means there was a point of time where the canvas was enabled, right? So now if you see here, in the player game object it is enabled. That means which when it was spawned, it will be when it will be spawned, it will be on enabled. But as I told, first let's disable this. As I told, in the script it will disable the player canvas later on. Okay, so now if you put this card again in the under the canvas, let's put 2 or 3. Okay, now when you enable the canvas, you will be able to see them here. Okay, so that issue has gone. Hopefully this helps someone. Yeah, so that was the main motive of the video. Let me know if you are facing any issues with the networking, because currently I'm also learning that networking part. I'm majorly focusing on Mirror. So yeah, if you are making some 2D games, let me know if there is some issue. Maybe I could solve it. I'll try to help. Thank you.